Hello friends, this video on triangles part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam.
E and F are respectively midpoints of the equal sides BAB and AC of triangle ABC. There's a triangle ABC, E and F are midpoints of the equal sides AB and AC. That means AB is equal to AC, that is given. And E and F are midpoints, so AE will also be equal to AF. Why? Because AB by 2 will be equal to AC by 2 also. Okay. Plus, just noting the things, EB will also be equal to FC. And this part will be equal to this part will be equal to this part. Okay. So we have to show that BF is equal to CE. Where is BF? BF and CE. So we can do that actually. We know that this part is equal to this part. This is a common part. Right? And they are equal sides, so this angle is equal to this angle. So we can actually prove that in this triangle, this one triangle, and the another triangle that we draw in green. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent. To prove that, so let's do this. Okay, so it has, we know that EB and FC, and we know that angle B is equal to angle C. So let's put here, if you put B, so let's put C here, because these angles are same. And we can make out. And then from D you make E, so BE, and BE is equal to FC, so make F here. Right? These two sides are equal. What is pending is EBC, so EBC, and FBC, FC. Let's see the common side. BC, yes, the common side. Now, if you see these two triangles, right? These two triangles, these sides are common, these angles are common, these sides are common. So SAS, they are congruent. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so I can say that triangle EBC in triangle EBC and triangle FCB. Okay, B is equal to FC, given side same. Angle B is equal to angle C, or let me write the exact name. EBC is equal to angle FCB. That is given. Why? Because since EB is equal to AC. Okay, it is given. Equal sides AB. Since AB is equal to AC, this sides angles are equal. Okay, and then BC is equal to BC, common. Thus, both the triangle are congruent. Triangle EBC is congruent to triangle FCB. Okay, since they are congruent, I can say that BF is equal to C. Right? BF is equal to C. So pretty easy, but you should know which two triangles you have to prove congruent to, and that is based on experience. You know that this data is given, this triangle, angle is equal, these two sides are equal based on the data, and this is a common side. So I can actually, if you can prove these two triangles as congruent, I can solve my question. So that is with experience. So you have to solve more and more questions to get that understanding. Okay, so in an isosceles triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC given, these two sides are equal, that means these two angles are equal, also equal. Just notes. Whatever we understand, we can just write it here. D and E are points on BC such that BE is equal to CD. So BE is equal to CD. Both has D common, I can say that BD is also equal to EC. I can say that, but I don't know if that is required. So we have to show that AD is equal to A. Is AD and this is A. So we have to prove that these are equal. So if you see that these triangles, we take this triangle. This side is common, this side is common, This angle also is common, So we take this triangle as one triangle, this triangle as one triangle. If we prove that they are congruent, we can solve it. So let's take this triangle. So we are talking about AB here, and here AB is equal to AC. So let's put AC here. This is ABD, this is ACE. So let's E here. So now we have seen that ACD ABD this angle and ACE is this angle, they are equal, that is given. AB is equal to AC is also given. So if we can prove somehow BD is equal to CE, then we can easily prove AD is equal to A by proving that these two triangles are congruent. So BD is equal to CE we have to prove. So let's see what is BD. BD is this and CE is this. So what is any clue given? Yeah, we have been told that BE is equal to CD. BE is equal to CD is given. Let's see if we can do something with this. So what is BE? BE is nothing but BD plus DE, right? So this is BD plus DE. What is CD? CD is nothing but CE plus T. CE plus D. DE can cancel, and with this we can say that BD is equal to CE. So BD is equal to CE. If we put, we can actually prove the triangles to be congruent, right? We can write that in triangle ABD, ABD and ACE, and triangle ACE. Okay, we are putting by side angle sides. What is AB is equal to AC first? AB is equal to AC, that is given. Angle ABD and AC are equal. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACE, that is also given. And BD is equal to CE, that is from equation 1. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACE. Since they are congruent, therefore AD is equal to A. And that is I have to prove. Okay. Let's take few more examples to clear our concepts. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So let's put some number here, A, B, and C. AB is equal to AC is given. The bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at point O. So let's draw the bisectors and let this meet at point O. This angle is equal to this angle. Like these sides are equal, so all these four angles will be equal. This is just for a rough calculation, right? Because angle B is equal to angle C, half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. So all these four angles will be equal. So we have joined A to O. So let's join this also. Show that, we have to show that OB is equal to OC. Where is OB and OC? We have to prove that these two are same. That is pretty easy, right? See, OB is equal to OC. If we just name this angle 1, 2, 3, 4, we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4, right? Because angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 3 plus 4, and these are all bisectors. So I can easily say that in triangle OBC, okay, since angle 2 is equal to angle 3, therefore OB is equal to OC. Pretty easy, straightforward, nothing to do in this. Okay. The next is AO bisects angle A. That means, let's suppose this is 5 and angle 6. So we have to prove that angle 5 is equal to angle 6. That is something we have to prove. Okay. Now if we take these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, let me just show you these triangles. This triangle which I have taken, I'll draw a similar triangle like this. Okay. AOB. Now in this AB is equal to AC, so I'll just mark it A here. I'll say AC because corresponding sides are equal, and then we'll have O because I'm making this triangle. So if you see this triangle, AB is equal to AC, let me know. Okay. Now since these two angles are equal, OB is equal to AC, we have proved. OB is equal to OC. And we also know that this angle is equal to this angle. while this angle is angle 1 and this angle is angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4, we know. Thus these two triangles are congruent. Then since these two triangles are congruent, this angle, if you see, this is angle 5, and this angle, if you see, this is angle 6. And with this, 5 will be equal to angle 6. You can actually prove it. Pretty easy, right? So you can just say that in triangle ABO and triangle ACO, okay, AB is equal to AC, that is given side, and then angle ABO is equal to angle ACO, that is, you can write that angle bisector of equal angles, okay, and then BO is equal to CO, that is, we just proved it. Therefore triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO. Since they are congruent, you can say that angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Since they are equal, these two angles are equal, that means therefore AO bisects angle A, and that is proved. Okay, let's take one more example. There is a triangle ABC and AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. That means this is 90 degree and this is same. That is BD is equal to DC. Okay. You have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. To prove that it is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, you have to prove that either this angle is equal to this angle, or we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent, and that is pretty easy to prove. You see that this is ADB, the next triangle which we should take is ADB. Okay, here also you see ADC, AD and C, right? Because why? Because AD is AD common, BD and CD is given, and this angle is equal to this angle, already 90 degree given. Okay, so directly you can say that these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. So they are congruent by side angle side. Okay, side angle side. Since they are congruent, AB is equal to AC, and that is what I have to prove. Since AB is equal to AC, angle B is equal to angle C. Since angle B is equal to angle C, it is isosceles triangle. You can just write in plain English. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality educational videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot.